If you're a small YouTuber struggling to get 1000 subscribers and 400 watch hours to profit from YouTube, keep watching. In this video, I will share 5 ways to monetize YouTube videos. The first one is to license your content to media. If you happen to create viral videos with mass appeal, featuring your dog maybe, you can license videos like that in exchange for money. List your videos in a marketplace such as Jukin Media, where your content will be easier for the right people to find and purchase. These videos are being used by TV news outlets, morning shows, and various other online news sites. And it's quite easy to submit your video here as well. Promote different products as an affiliate. If you are not getting that many views for your videos and still want to profit from YouTube, this is a great option. Let's say you get 200 views for your video and maybe out of that 100 people click on your affiliate link. And maybe out of that 20 people go on to buy the product. If you get a commission of $20, then you would earn $400 just from one video, and all you needed was just 200 views, right? See how easy it is to make money on YouTube? I have done this on this channel and also created previous videos on affiliate marketing with YouTube videos. The link is in the description if you missed those videos. If you do affiliate videos just right, market it to the right people and get views, you could easily make several hundreds a month. Great videos to encourage affiliate sales include product videos, product tutorials, and things like product roundup videos. Another profitable way of earning money on YouTube is selling your own product. Now don't think this is really hard. You don't need huge amounts of subscribers for this. Even just 300 subscribers can be good enough, provided it's a targeted set of subscribers. You can sell items such as ebook, or it could be Lightroom Presets. Maybe you can create a video on that and then add the link to buy that Lightroom preset. It could be stock photography, it could be a course, maybe you have some expertise on some area and you can create a couple of videos and then sell that as a course. Sponsored videos are a lot like affiliate marketing in that you are recommending products, except you work directly with a brand that pay you upfront for the entire video. Your income does not rely on how many products you sell, but usually it's on how many people see the message. There is no set subscriber amount to get sponsors, but usually the more subscribers you have, the better. Brands want to know that their product will be advertised to plenty of people who would be interested in it. If your account isn't huge, but you still want to work with brands, a great way to win over them is by having and pitching to them. And I've created previous videos on how to find such sponsors and make a good pitch. The link is in the description. Sell t-shirts. You can sell t-shirts online without having to deal with all the buying of t-shirts, printing and delivering. It's called print on demand. And there are lots of websites offering such services. I created a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Teespring, one of the free print-on-demand sites, and then integrate that with YouTube. The link in the description below. Now you know how to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. I hope you try out these methods to make money from your YouTube videos.